Hi, my name is Saf and I'm one of the co-founders of Project Academy. Project Academy is a tutoring company based in Chatswood and we offer tutoring for years 9 through 12. As of the 23rd of March, we've moved all of our services online. That includes our classes, our tutes, even our think tanks as well.
I think the fact that it's online has really pushed teachers to try to deliver more engaging classes because they know there's already that online barrier. In terms of engagement, it's, I would say, even more colourful and high energy as it is as a normal class.
Before we launched Project Online, we wanted to make sure every element of the online experience matched the on-campus experience, from live classrooms, live tutorials, to an unparalleled suite of resources.
Every day we have study sessions that run pretty much from the morning to the night. We have tutors that come in, they stay until 11 p.m. online, can still continue all that support. And now everyone is able to tune in, stay productive, and get help whenever they need it.